Today I received the K11 Pro from Keychron, also the M6 4K mouse. A little disclaimer, Keychron sent it to me for testing purpose, but I will try to not let this influence my decision or my opinion about the keyboard. This may be the next best keyboard you can buy. I have the Korn keyboard, you may saw it in other videos, so this one is my daily driver at the moment, but for many people this is just too much of work to build it, to print stuff, and yeah, I can see why people want to have a ready-to-use keyboard. And in the mechanical keyboard world, I tested also the K12 and also the K3. I really enjoy Keychron keyboards, and that's why I am very happy to test now the K11 Pro, because this one is basically the step in between having a full split keyboard but still having this angled and split one on one keyboard, because yeah, this is way more comfortable for typing, for your shoulders, for your hands, and yeah, and also I have the old Logitech MX Master still with micro USB. So I'm very happy to test out the alternative from Keychron. So this one is basically the same mouse as the MX Master, but from Keychron, and I'm very happy to test it. I actually ordered it with the brown switches, so it's the same switches or similar switches as in my Korn keyboard. I really love the blue switches, but the brown ones are way more, co-worker friendly, let's say it this way. So if you are in meetings and typing, if you are in the office and typing, everyone hates you if you use the blue switches. I also have the red switches, but they don't have the tactile feeling. So for me, it's not the right thing. That's why I really like the brown switches. It's a good middle ground. Enough talking. Let's open up the package, take a look what's inside, and test the keyboard. It's programmable with QMK. So I'm using ZMK for the Korn keyboard, but QMK is the alternative for non-split keyboards, and it's very good to have it because there you can basically program every key. So you're not set to the values that are set in the keys. You can just change it whatever you want to. The keyboard. So this is the Pro version. Oh, nice. So first of all, I'm impressed by the caps. They are double die, so very high quality caps. They don't wear off. Let's type on it. Damn, I really want to type on it. Monkey type. Enter. Okay, I think I need to get used to the different angle and different key position, because usually if I have these key positions, I have the Korn and then it's again a bit different. Very nice keyboard, but also there's a second thing, so the mouse. I want to test out the mouse as well, because this one I also really looking forward to. Let's open this one as well. So what we get, oh, USB-C to USB-C cable, and whoa, it's a very soft one. I never had such a soft cable. It's like a thin cable in a sleeve. And then we have the mouse itself. It's very light, MX Master, and then the Keychron. It's a bit darker or a bit lower, but I like it. I like the sound, and also it feels like it's half the weight. Damn. Okay, I don't know. Probably I never had such a good, like a really good mouse, a high quality mouse, because it feels like nothing on the desk. It feels super nice, super fast. So you have quite a lot of settings in here. I don't know if you can see it. You have the setting for the connected Bluetooth device. You have the setting for the report rate and the DPI. And what I really like, I show you. If you change the DPI, it changes the color of the DPI symbol. I like the MX scrolling a bit more, to be honest. The Keychron scrolling feels a bit more clicky, to be honest. For me, if you don't want to invest into a split keyboard and don't want to build something, this is actually, I would say, the best setup you can buy at the moment for like gaming, coding, office work, whatever you like. I really like the Alice setup, or the Alice split one. It feels very good, very natural to type on. Also the knob and stuff, and also the most important part, that the software is QMK, so you can basically program it however you like. It's very heavy, sturdy, you can like tilt it. Very nice setup for quite a good price for value. So it's like 100 euros for the keyboard, and it's like 70 euros or something. So it's still cheaper than the MX Master. And I would say it's on the same level, maybe a bit higher because it's lighter. Other than that, I cannot say too much. The long-term review will follow. The color of the RGB is very nice. The type experience feels very good. Overall, I would say this is basically the best office setup you can buy at the moment for your money. And let's see how long the battery holds up. They are pre-looped, so they also feel very good. I think I never had such a good typing experience on a freshly out-of-the-box keyboard. I hope you liked it. If you have interest in the keyboard, I will link it down in the description. It's not an affiliate link, but as said, the keyboard was given to me for free, but I will not earn any money on it. It's a lovely keyboard. I really appreciate typing on it, and I will keep you posted about it. The mouse as well, same thing. Highly recommend if you are looking out for a good quality mouse. I would say it's a nice one. The alternative for me is the MX Master, but it's a heavier mouse. For the keyboard, I don't see any alternative at the moment, and I didn't see many reviews of the Alice split keyboards, or the Alice layout basically. I didn't see many reviews, but I can say it's worth buying, and I will use it. Thank you for watching, and in the next video you will see the updates on the watering system. I have already most of the code ready. I am just now waiting for the pumps. They should arrive tomorrow, and also testing it out, playing around a bit with it. The video I hope I will have soon, so I'll let you know. If you liked it, I highly appreciate a comment. If you have other keyboards you want to see or check out, I would love to get your reviews as well. If you used it, let me know how you like it. And if you have any video requests, I'm happy to answer them. See you next time. Thank you for watching, and happy afternoon, evening, whatever time it is for you at the moment. See you soon.